Hello supermobile fans, happy day to you all. Welcome to another episode of Official Smartphone Leaks 2020. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you the official leaks of the Infinix HOT 10 and HOT 10 Lite. Infinix is already teasing out the HOT 10 smartphone, and the major upgrade is the Helio G70 gaming octa-core processor, which brings up to 2 times better performance than the Helio P22 in the HOT 9 Pro. The back design looks cool, especially with this bluish color tone. There's also a design with a pinkish color tone, which is my favorite. There's a standard black color, which we are already familiar with. Looking closely at the quad rear camera setup, which shows that the HOT 10 will retain similar 16 megapixel lens with quad flash, but still no ultra-wide angle lens. The selfie camera also remains the 8 megapixel shooter with dual flash LED. As for the front design, the HOT 10 will sport a bigger display size with a screen resolution of 720p by 1640, which will be immersive for cinematic entertainment. The battery size has been slightly upgraded to a 5200 mAh capacity, which is enough to last you a day on average usage, but it still rocks a 10-watt micro USB charging port. Of course, it is running on the Android 10 software with the latest Dolphin XOS 7.0 UI, which brings some new and exciting customizations. Are you excited about this HOT 10 gaming smartphone? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. That's it for this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode where I share more smartphone leaks, and so make sure you are subscribed to the channel and post notification turned on to be the first to see the next episode. Thanks for watching. Remain humble, stay safe, bye.